Welcome aboard the Hokuto Limited Express bound for Hakodate. We will be stopping at Shin Sapporo, Minami Chitose, Tomakomai, Shiraoi, Noboribetsu, Higashi Murora, Datemonbetsu, Toya, Oshamame, Yakumo, Mori, Onuma Koe, Shin Hakodate Hokuto, Goryokaku, and the Hakodate Circle. Passengers with reserved seats, please check your car and seat numbers against those printed on your limited express tickets and reservation tickets and sit in the assigned seats. Passengers holding a Japan Rail Pass or Hokkaido Rail Pass